This is the Check It Out team. We are powered by the Weld Central High School STEM Lab, brought to you by CLS. Our goal is to create a successful drone videography business. We are attempting to achieve this with the assets provided in the STEM Lab and curriculum created by the CLS team. We've broken into the following teams, being drone team, business team, media team, and web design team, in order to achieve more production efficiency while still maintaining the original goal.
As the drone team, we are researching different drones and ways to video from different heights and angles. Also, we are studying for our FAA certification test so that we can fly legitimately for the company.
As the business team, we contact and meet potential clients and handle anything from specific jobs to fundraising in order to accelerate the potential business forward. We also track any costs that may occur within the business.
As a media team, we work in the studio, which contains the TriCaster, Sony Vegas, and Audacity to help produce videos and sounds. We also have GarageBand, which helps us produce quality music.
As the web design team, we are learning HTML and CSS to produce our own website for the business, and then update and manage it when needed.
As you can see, we are far from achieving our current goals, but with the right time frame and motivation, we'll be able to turn this program into an aspiring business for the future.